So organizing your Google Classroom is going to be one of the most important things you can do. Otherwise, your students will get lost. It'll be hard for you to keep track of everything. This is going to just make your life so much easier in trying to put out weekly lessons for your virtual students. So if you look at your main stream, it gets kind of messy as you begin adding things. There really isn't a good organizational structure for your stream. So you'll want to train your students as well as yourself to really look at the Classwork tab. Here's where your topics are listed on the left. Now my suggestion is to use dates for your topics. So I added an example this morning for everyone in our training class of using dates by week. I added a topic called Week of August 24th. Then the first assignment I added was a materials assignment, and it's just instructions. So I just added instructions for the day. This is for Monday, August 24th. Complete the morning activity this morning. We will then have our math live Google Meet at 10 a.m. Please be sure to click the Google Meet link in the banner a few minutes before 10 a.m. so you're ready to start. After the math Google Meet, you will have a follow-up math practice activity to complete. At 11:45, we will have our live Google Meet for ELA. After this live meet, you will have a practice activity. We will have our small group time beginning at 12. Please check the small group assignment for your Google Meet time. Then lunch and specials from 12:40 to 2, and at 2, please complete your science and social studies activity for the day. You'll notice there's no live Google Meet for that. So this just gives them a rundown of Monday, August 24th of what to do for all students. And if there's some individualized instructions, such as small group, you can include that in here and let them know where to find their individualized instructions. So then I added math, Monday, August 24th, with a sample math assignment. So this could be a PDF, it could be an interactive Nearpod, it could be a link directly to Go Math with an online lesson. So this is where they would go to their follow-up activity for math, because they know they're going to tune in at 10 a.m. for the live meet and then go here for the follow-up activity. Again, I added Monday, August 24th directly on the assignment. For ELA, I added a ELA small group time materials. It gives instructions as well as the reading passage that we're going to use for our small group time. I could also add a follow-up assignment if I wanted to, but within this assignment, I could add individual instructions for the student. So example, I have 3 kids that I want to log in at 12:15 for their small group time, another kid that I want to log in at 12:40 for his small group time. I can send this out to individual groups or individual students, and in the instructions I would place what time they needed to log in to their Google Meet. That way it's individualized for them. Then of course I have my 2 p.m. science and social studies project that they complete on their own. So this is all for Monday, August 24th. I try to keep the date on each one so they can easily see what they're working on for that day. I would then come and I would add Tuesday, August 25th, instructions. Again, I would give my schedule and I would have my assignments. For some of these, it might be continue your work on your science and social studies project, because maybe this is a week-long activity. I don't have to have individual assignments every day if I'm not doing that in class. But utilize topics to help organize your information. You can even organize topics by day. So I could have this as simply Monday, August 24th, and have another topic for Tuesday, August 25th. But that can be a lot of topics when you start getting into your school year, so I like to use it by weeks. Utilize this organizational structure, and it's really going to help you and your students access the information more easily and keep yourself organized.